How to create a 3D floor plan, online without CAD skills. Creating a 3D floor plan doesn't require complex software or technical CAD skills anymore. Today, platforms like Homestyler make it incredibly simple for anyone, even beginners, to design professional-looking layouts. All you need is an idea of your space and a little bit of time. Start by opening the Homestyler platform using your browser. From the dashboard, select the 2D Floor Planner tool. Begin by drawing out your walls using the drag and drop tool. Just click, stretch, and release to shape your layout. You don't need to worry about perfect lines or angles. Homestyler automatically snaps and adjusts to make your work clean and accurate. Once the basic layout is complete, switch to 3D mode with a single click. You'll instantly see your plan converted into a realistic model. From here, you can place windows, doors, flooring, and even change wall finishes with intuitive controls. What makes Homestyler powerful is its vast library of furniture and decor items. You can drag sofas, beds, kitchen units, and more into your floor plan, all scaled correctly. If you're concerned about accuracy, the measurement tool helps you define exact dimensions and spacing. And if you ever get stuck, built-in tutorials and templates can guide you forward. You don't need to be an architect or interior designer. The software does the heavy lifting while giving you creative freedom. Whether you're remodeling a room or planning a dream home, Homestyler makes 3D design accessible. If you want to start today, be sure to check the link in the description to join Homestyler for free. It's one of the best ways to jump into 3D floor planning without spending a dime or learning complex design programs.